How to install zip files on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can install zip files on Android, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now there is a very distinct thing that I want you to understand, and that is that you don't install zip files, you install APK files. What you do to zip files is that you only extract zip files. Now normally, let's say you downloaded an APK from some elsewhere on the internet and then you happen to try to install it, but it is in a zip format. How do you install that zip format? Well, the trick here is to extract the zip format first of all, then extract all the files inside of it, then necessarily do whatever else you want with those files. Now basically nowadays in all of the Android smartphones you have a file manager by default. You don't need to download external file manager app to extract it, because most of the file manager application does support extracting the files by default. If yours does support it, you don't have to do anything, but if it doesn't, what you have to do is simply open up your Google Play Store. In the search box you want to simply download this very application called ZArchiver. I'll have a link below as well. It's one of the popular applications to extract the zip files. Open it up, give it all the necessary permissions. Now navigate to the folder where your zip file is located. So right over here you can see a specific zip file that you can see. Now what I need to do is I just need to extract this. I don't directly install this, but I need to extract this. To do this, just tap on it once. You'll have options such as extract here or extract to. Extract here is going to place all of the files inside of it outside of a specific folder, but if you select extract to, it's going to create a very organized folder in that similar name. So just tap on extract or whatever else you prefer. So once you extract those files, you can see archive successfully decompressed. Now if you look for in the folders tab, you'll find a new folder with a similar zip file name this time, and when you go to that folder you will be able to see all of the files that was located inside of that zip file, because they have basically been extracted. So as I repeat again and earlier, you don't install zip files, you extract zip files and do whatever else you want, whether you install them or whatever, even have a wallpaper or APKs or whatever else you prefer. And that is it for today's video on how you can install, or to be more precise, how you can extract zip files on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.